In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. You can begin by simply holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the other one. You can also pinch your device's display. Then hold your search bar and drag it to remove section at the top right corner. When you see that the search bar turned red, let go. Then click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!